Hey Mill Creek, it's Joe. I hope you're feeling super not stressed right now. I have gotten this question a couple of times about the agenda slide and like how to manage that. So I am going to show you really quickly how to do that. So the first thing I would do is create a folder. So I'm going to click New and then click Folder. And I'm going to call this 20-21 Weekly Agendas. Alright, and then I'm going to open my copy of the template. So like you guys have your own copy of this template. And I'm going to click File and Move. And then I'm going to need to choose the folder that I want to move it to, and then click Move. And so it's going to tell me that that's been moved. I'm just going to go into that folder, so I'm going to go back to the old tab, find the 20-21 Weekly Agendas folder, and there it is. Okay, there's my MCHS week template. Alright, now, the way that you need to manage this is you need to create a new copy for each week. So I can right click here, and then I can click Make a Copy. And it's just going to throw it right there in that folder. It's going to be beautiful. Alright, there it is. Gorgeous. A thing of beauty. So here it is. And now I'm going to change the name. Alright, so I'm going to say Week 1, 8/12 to 8/14 agenda. I don't care what you name it. You can call it Fred. But this is what I'm going to name mine. Okay? This is the agenda for week 1. For week 2, I need to have a different copy. Okay? And I can just copy the week 1 one. So I can right click and then click Make a Copy. And there it is. You can double click into it and then change the name of this one. And it's going to be week 2, 8/17 to, I don't know, 21. 21, alright? And then there it is. So when I go back here, now I've got a week 1 agenda, a week 2 agenda. On eClass, I'm going to need to create a new announcement for each week. So you can't just create one announcement and then update the embed or update the slide or even update the embed code, because I need to replace that every week. So I've got my week 1 agenda, and my weeks are different because I'm using you. So I can create a new announcement. Give it a name. From week 2, I need to click Publish to the Web, click Embed. If you look at the directions for this, it gives you the actual parameters. I'm sort of guessing. And then I'm going to click Publish, OK, Copy, Insert, Embed Code, Paste, Next, Insert, and there it is. And if I wanted it to come out on a certain date, then I can go ahead and delay that. And there it is. the beauty of that is that I can go ahead and have those announcements ready in eClass and set to publish on a certain day with that start date. You can see the difference. This agenda, the week 1, is already published, so that's the one that you can see on my page. The week 2 agenda has a start date. It's scheduled, but it's not published yet. And so it's just sitting there ready to go. But any edit that I make on this side is going to show here, because this is a mirror of what I'm doing here. All right. I hope that's helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.